Hello, this is Ademola Olaloja from the Forex Trading Inner Circle, and thank you so much for downloading the Forex Trading Inner Circle Mentoring app. Welcome to the app. In this video, I want to show you how to use this mobile app and how to get the most benefits from the functions available in the app. Now, this is the home screen, and in the home screen, you have the list of the courses available. On the top section of the screen, you see these are the available courses. The first section on the left is for the free subscribers. If you're a free subscriber, you can access the content in this section, even if you are not a paid member. Now, by touching the free subscribers learning section, it will bring you to the section where you see the content available in the free subscribers learning section. We change the videos here from time to time so that we get the best information to help our new subscribers and potential students to understand the business better. Now, to navigate away from this place, just touch the back button on your phone and you are back at the home screen. Then if you are a paid member, if you are a month 1 student, just move and touch the month 1 section. You are a month 2 student, then just swipe it to month 2 section and touch. If you are a month 3, swipe it to month 3 section. And if you are a VIP student, just swipe and you have access to the VIP section. So that being said, so if you want to come back to this video and learn how to use the app, all you need to do is to click or tap on view the new user tutorial, and it takes you back to this section. Then the terms of use and privacy policy can also be seen by tapping the read user guidelines and rules, that blue link at the bottom. So that being said, the next aspect is the market insight. So you can just touch the icon market insight. It takes you to the market insight. In the market insight page, you see the previous trade signals and market insight are posted on the app. And anytime I post a new trade update, you receive a notification on your phone so that you can quickly check if it's an update or a trade signal. You can quickly check and you'll be able to quickly act on it. So to access the market update, for instance, the market update on the 10th of August 2021, if I touch this screen, then it loads the market update and I can see what I've posted. You can see it and take advantage of the update. So to navigate away from this section, just tap the back button and it takes you back to the main screen. So the next section is the topics, which is just the one next to the market insight. Just tap on it once and it takes you to the topics. Now on the topics, you can ask a new question. If you are a new subscriber or a paid member and you want to ask a question, you can just come here and tap on the search box and then you can type your question, how to trade Forex, whatever question you have, you can type it here. Now, mind you, you can type things like full stop, asterisk, exclamation mark, and slash in the box. You can only type numbers and letters. So the application will understand your question and will be able to give you the necessary response. Now, with that, you can also view our frequently asked questions by tapping the view our FAQ button. It takes you to the page where you see the frequently asked questions. Then the student testimonials, you can have access to the students that have taken part of our program and have enjoyed the program. You will see their testimonials by tapping on the student testimonial section. Now, if you want to chat directly with me, just tap the button chat now, and this launches your WhatsApp application on the phone, and you'll be able to chat directly with me on my customer support hotline. Now, the button at the bottom of the screen, which is upgrade membership, the golden button. If you're a free subscriber and you want to be a paid member, just tap on the upgrade membership. It takes you to the section where you read more details on your upgrade. And if you're already a paid member, let's imagine you are in month 1 and you want to move to month 2. What you do is you tap on the chat now button and it takes you to my WhatsApp profile and you can inform me directly. Then I'll guide you on your upgrade process. Okay, that being said, the Next one is the resources, which is available on the app. Under the resource section, we have the trade signals, we have the capital strength analysis table, we have the lot size calculator, calendar trades, logical analysis, 40 pips daily, reverse analysis, COT reports, and recommended brokers. So you can access this section. If you are a paid member, you're able to access these sections. But as a free subscriber, these sections are restricted. You will not be able to have access to them. Lastly, on the profile icon, if you touch the profile icon, you will have access to your account information. If you are using a free account, you see it written there, free account. If it is a paid membership, you will see paid membership, level 1, level 2, level 3, VIP, you see it there respectively, and your name with the details. So that is how this application works. If you still have any question, just come over here and click on chat now, and you can have direct contact with me. Thank you so much for downloading the app once again. I wish you success in your trading. Bye.